But if, on the other hand, if the person only has one gene that codes for the protein responsible for producing hemoglobin, it'll be a normal blood cell, but there's a benefit to having a single gene with this mistake. Okay, so are there any other germline mutations that you can think of? Okay, what about hemophilia? Okay, and color blindness is also something that's a part of the germline, where there's a point mutation in the X chromosome, and a point mutation is where a mutation happens in a certain spot instead of the whole sequence. What else? Jamie?
Albinism?
Yeah. What else? Okay, well, can anyone think of a benefit to having mutations?
Evolution. Well, in the case of sickle cell anemia, they are more resistant to malaria, which helps them resist malaria, which is a big problem in Africa.
It's a big problem in Africa. Anything else? Okay, well, another beneficial mutation is a point mutation in the human CCR5, which is a protein receptor in white blood cells that either delays the onset of AIDS or helps humans be resistant to HIV. So if a person has two of the same genes with this point mutation in the CCR5, then they'll become resistant to HIV. And then if they're heterozygotes, then it delays the onset. Of AIDS. So this is so I mean these mutations are often given like really bad. There's always been
Bad press?
Yeah, bad press. Like, oh, this mutation caused this and this mutation caused this. But sometimes these mutations aren't given enough. What's the word? They're not given enough.
Exposure?
Yeah, exposure. Like people don't know enough, and they always assume the worst. And so, if people know about these beneficiary mutations, there'll be a lot more that can be done to help with fighting HIV and AIDS. I mean, if they can pinpoint where the mutation is in the CCR5, then they would be able to maybe use gene therapy and figure out how to get it so that everyone can somehow be resistant or delay the onset of mutations.
Do we know enough about genes to create our own beneficial mutations?
Yeah, we do, and that's what gene therapy is for. And they've started using either stem cells or going into the genes to try and pinpoint where a mutation is. Like for some genetic diseases, they'll try and go and fix the gene that's in there so that they can cure something that hasn't been cured before.
What about totally positive effects like richer hemoglobin count, like red blood cell count, or improved muscle growth? They've done that?
I'm not sure. Oh, if they could make like red blood cells richer or like raise the blood count of red blood cells? Have they done that for genes? Well, that would be something you could look up. And, Dr. Grubin may be able to give you some extra credit for it. I'm not kidding. Any other questions?